have to say my name, but you could have cleaned it. Ou te ka clean ni. Ou te ka monto clean ni. Ou pas t'obligé citer non, parce que moi, je pas citer non. Mais de pouvoir parler, tout le monde t'a comprend non. Toute accusation, tout ça fait. Tout ça fait.
Si nous devons clarifier partie ça, nous pas accuser personne de ça qui passé parce que classe pas joué et me pense qu'il y a un pilote ben qui te souffle qui pas temps jouer tout. Ce c'est pas seul nous-mêmes qui te un problème ça.
Si Dieu me n'a pas en Haïti, l'on te voye à bombarder avec gaz. I always heard this story. Oh, te gon dame qui t'enceinte li pèdi pitit là. Te gon dame qui t'enceinte li pèdi pitit là. I was pregnant too. I was pregnant too. I was 3 months pregnant. I was pregnant too. I was pregnant too. And I love children. I always wanted more children, but I could never get pregnant. I could never get pregnant. And on miracle passé, I was pregnant. And I was being so nice to myself. I treated myself so good because I wanted this baby. Nou kazi choua. Je regarde dans la télé, j'ai mon ap tombé. Je regarde j'ai mon ap relé. Je pété crier, je fais mauvais sang. Le lendemain, je relé tout staff moi me dit m'a font live. I did the live. I think studio a été l'an passé 3 octobre. And je fais 4 ans toute journée à me coucher. Parce que je ne pas bien du tout. Et puis, moi, dans 5 mois, je fais chaud. Dans 6 mois, je prends l'avion, je tourne la caméra pendant dans l'avion. I lost the baby on the airplane. I was pregnant too. And I was 3 months pregnant. You don't know the damage you've done, lady. You don't know half of the shit you've done to me. And you'll never know. Because coming out public and say the things that you've done, lave messiate. Because I don't have that past. I don't have that voice. I guess maybe I should have created myself better because everybody that I created, they love them. They have that past, but I don't. I'm not accepted for creating each and every one of you that are accepted. You'll never know the damage you've caused me. You'll never know what I've lost because of you. You'll never know. When I come on live, I said I don't want this beef no more. When I come on live to say that I don't want to do this no more, I know what I mean. I mean, I don't want to lose my babies no more if I ever get pregnant again. I said, I don't want to lose myself. That's what I mean. Those are the things that I'm not saying out loud. These are the things that makes me strong. These are the things that I am proud of. I managed to handle them. I managed to take them without me coming here and telling you guys and letting you guys see this side of me.